your name?
My name is Timothy.
Okay, it's your birthday today.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel great.
Okay, so how was your experience pedaling today?
I think the closest person who can understand my feelings and my experience is her,
Okay.
the organizer.
Okay.
And yeah, it's a wow moment.
Okay.
It's a wow time.
So what was your favorite part of the whole experience?
The surprise.
Oh, the surprise
Unexpected.
from her, right?
It was unexpected.
She got all of these things for you,
Like,
and the boat
seriously.
cruise and the pedal. Okay.
And it was supposed to be a seminar.
Oh, he was going for a seminar, and then you brought him here. Amazing stuff.
The thoughtfulness behind it.
Was really yeah, it was nice. People were shocked that a lady was doing that, all of that for a guy. So yeah, it was really nice. Oh, such an awesome moment. All right, thank you so much for patronizing us.
You enjoy it.
I hope you I hope you call us for the wedding, oh. Call us for the wedding. Call us for the wedding, oh. All right, thank you.
All right.